When your teenager is out of control, troubled teen. Introduction to troubled teen programs. More than ever, teens today are facing an uncertain future. With political instability across the globe and unrest in local communities, it's no wonder that our teens are confused and scared about their place in the world. Just as they are trying to find their own adult identity, the teenage body is hit with an influx of hormones and unsettling emotions that they don't know how to control. Because of this, teenagers are particularly susceptible to conditions such as depression, oppositional defiant disorder, rebelliousness, and numerous personality disorders. Adolescent frustration can easily lead to behavioral problems if the teen doesn't receive appropriate counseling. Troubled teen programs exist to provide such counseling and intervene before troubled teens can damage their future irrevocably. Who can benefit from troubled teen programs? Many teenagers can benefit from the variety of troubled teen programs that are available. Whether your teen is overtly rebellious, experimenting with drug use or promiscuous behavior, or has had trouble with the law, troubled teen programs can provide the tools to set your teenager on the right path. Troubled teen programs can reach your troubled teenager by teaching them to respect themselves and others, offering relatable testimonials, and providing an objective outlook on how your teen functions. Whatever problems your teen may be facing, such as alcoholism, insecurity, or apathy, troubled teen programs can renew a positive outlook on life. These programs will help your teen, and your entire family, by bringing you all together. Types of troubled teen programs. There are many diverse troubled teen programs to address the many problems facing teens. Finding the program that best suits your teenager's needs is key to helping them out of their problems. Some typical troubled teen programs include residential programs. Similar to boarding schools, residential teen programs require the teen to live at the program facility. Residential troubled teen programs are especially helpful for teens that have been expelled from public schools or need a great deal of supervision. Residential programs can be general or cater to specific problems such as drug abuse. Wilderness programs. Wilderness troubled teen programs take the problem teenager out of the confusing modern world and bring them back to the basics. Removing the teenager from the influences of bad company, computers, cell phones, and modern conveniences allows wilderness programs to access the root cause of the teen's issues. Boot camp/military school. There are a number of troubled teen programs that utilize the military approach to treating problem teens. Focusing on discipline and respect, boot camp-style programs can build the character of a troubled teen while allowing him to gain much-needed self-respect. Where to look for help in finding troubled teen programs? Because each program is unique, it's important to carefully investigate your options before deciding on the program that is right for your troubled teen. Many programs can be investigated via the internet. Once you locate a program or programs that may be right for your teen, contact each organization to discuss your specific issues.